You are watching BitBNS News.
Hello and good morning. Right now the market is completely volatile, so it is important for users to get to know what actually happening around the crypto world. What news is there around crypto? So for that, make sure you watch Crypto News Daily and keep yourself updated. Kraken agrees to settle with US regulators for violating Iran sanctions. FTX reportedly used Almeida's bank accounts to process customer funds. 50,000 Bitcoin fought in 5 days as these investors prepare for Santa Rally. BlockFi takes FTX SBF to court over Robinhood shares. National Bank of Ukraine releases draft concept for digital hryvnia. Cardano registers milestone with more than 7 million native tokens. Mysterious death of crypto billionaire Tianten Kulandar. Spanish securities regulator SNMV warns about crypto investments. FTX resumes salary payments after weeks of uncertainty. Alameda Crypto Fund appearance owes 55,000 to bar in Bahamas. Ethereum Layer 2 network gas usage hits record highs. Delhi AIMS hackers demand Rs 200 crore ransom in crypto. Cryptocurrency exchange Kraken has agreed to pay the penalty to settle civil liability related to apparent violations of sanctions on Iran. As part of the deal with OFAC, Kraken would pay more than $360,000 with a specific $1 lakh add-on. The FTX contagion saga sees new revelations around its misconduct every other day, and the latest one solidifies the collusion between the failed crypto exchange and its sister company Almira Research from the very beginning. According to crypto analytics portal Sentiment, 47,888 BTC per purchased by major cryptocurrency holders over the past 5 days. The accumulated number represents 0.24% of the entire Bitcoin supply. Bankrupt cryptocurrency lender BlockFi has taken legal action against Sam Bankman-Fried, the disgraced founder of the failed FTX exchange, over the latest stake in prominent financial services company Robinhood, the Financial Times reports. The National Bank of Ukraine has introduced a draft concept for its central bank digital currency candidate Digital Hryvnia or e-Hryvnia. Ukraine Central Bank on November 28th released a statement on the concept of e-Hryvnia, which aims to perform all functions of money by supplementing cash and non-cash forms of the hryvnia as its key purpose. Cardano has failed to take advantage of the significant network milestone it recently achieved as the digital asset continues to struggle in pushing its price to higher levels. This comes as a prize as the project's blockchain is in the midst of celebrating the accomplishment of having more than 7 million native assets that have been created on it. Billionaire crypto entrepreneur Tianten Kulandar died in his sleep Sunday at the age of 30. The company he co-founded was reportedly raising around $100 million. The Spanish securities regulator has warned investors against putting funds in crypto-related companies. Montserrat Martinez Pereira, vice president of the organization, stated that the lack of control is one of the causes of the downfall of the crypto exchange FTX, and that anyone looking at crypto as an investment must be careful due to the lack of regulations in the area.